Kahapon sa part 1 ng contract signing ng Miss Universe Philippines, nagpakita na nga ang nag-iisang Ashley Subihano, a household name in Philippine pageantry who has steadily built her journey towards Miss Universe Philippines stage. Pero hindi nga naging madali sa kanyang pagkuha ng representasyon dahil dumaan siya sa butas ng karayom. Sumabak muna siya sa local pageant na Miss Universe Philippines Laguna, in-earn niya yung rights at ngayon nagbabalik na siya sa pageant scene. Pero she first gained recognition when she crowned as the first ever Miss Charm Philippines in 2019, a title that should have led her to compete internationally. However, the global finals were postponed multiple times due to pandemic, and she is determined to continue her path. That's why in 2022 sumabak siya sa Miss World Philippines. Malakas siya ni rally at pinagsalpok ng mga Pinoy pageant fans for the Miss World Philippines crown, only to find out na Miss Eco International ang mas snatch niyang corona. And in the same year, sinabak siya sa Miss Eco International pageant where she proudly finished in the top 21. Yung mga ilang nagsasabi na Nepo baby dahil nga she's the daughter of the former Miss World Philippines Cara Subihano and actor Hans Montenegro. Pero yung mga titles na na-earn naman niya back then, mga pinaghirapan niya mismo. And now, sino nga mag-aakala na yung dalawang titles na ito ay currently nasa bakuran din ng MUPH. But she is eager to get the top crown, which is the Miss Universe Philippines, and now, she's proudly and officially representing the town of Luisiana, province of Laguna. Ashley's journey is all about persistent power and passion. From setbacks to comebacks, she's now ready to continue the legacy na kahit nga dala-dala niya ito, her crown is built on her own hard work, passion, and power. What do you think of her chances for the top crown, mga pageant fans? Sa tingin nyo, kakayanin niya bang pataubin ang ilang pang mga heavy names na katulad niya for the Miss Universe Philippines crown? Comment below.